colors of the rainbow. Birds of colors darting.
Hey, hey, kids, let's sing and learn the colors of the rainbow. Oh, red, red, apple so sweet, paints the flowers in the heat. Orange, orange, bright and round, like the sun that shines all around. Yellow, yellow, bright and fun, like a duck in the shining sun. Green, green, tall and high, leaves and grass waving by. Blue, blue, sky so wide, oceans deep and rolling tides. Purple, purple, grapes so sweet, flowers dancing to the beat. Woo! Violet! Orange, yellow, green, blue and purple in between. Rainbow colors shining bright, sing along, it feels so right. Now you know the colors